Today we're taking a look at an exciting opportunity at the Illinois Railway Museum, one that could play an important role in the future restoration of two historic Indiana interurban cars. The museum currently has the opportunity to acquire a pair of Peckham MCB trucks for the Terre Haute Indianapolis and Eastern cars 50 and 58. These combines were originally built in 1904 by Laconia for the Indianapolis and Northwestern. Finding trucks of the right type for these cars has been increasingly difficult. The trucks feature a 6-foot 6-inch wheelbase, matching the original dimensions used by these cars. While the trucks do include mounts for third rail beams, those can be removed relatively easily. The trucks are currently trailer trucks, but with a matching wheelbase, fitting motors in the future shouldn't be a major issue. To make this acquisition possible, the museum needs to raise approximately $6,000 to cover the purchase and transit of the trucks. Acquiring these is completely dependent on raising the funds. In addition to the trucks, there's also an opportunity to acquire a pair of Ohio brass MCB couplers. These couplers would serve as spares for the museum's North Shoreline fleet, while also potentially helping support future restoration projects. The Illinois Railway Museum has repeatedly shown what can be accomplished through long-term preservation and restoration efforts. The museum has transformed equipment that was once no more than a worn-out car body into a fully operational streetcar. One example of this is Chicago and Westtown's Car 141. After spending decades as nothing more than a shell, the car has since been restored back into operation, demonstrating what can be achieved when the right parts, funding, and volunteer effort all come together. If you would like to support this project, a donation link will be available in the video description below. For online donations made through the web store, please use the Contact Us form found on the museum website. In your message, please include your donation amount and indicate that you would like the funds directed towards the RTHI&E project. This is required so the museum can allocate these funds correctly. If you'd prefer to send a check, please send them to the address on screen now and make sure to put RTHI&E on the memo line. Any support towards preserving these important pieces of Indiana interurban history is sincerely appreciated. A special thanks to the Krambles-Peterson Archive and Knogle for contributing images for this video. And a big thank you to the Hicks Car Works blog for allowing me to use their blog post on this as a starting point for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.